Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by measuring ingredients precisely. This sets flavor balance and texture. Heat 1 cup milk to about 150 degrees F because warm milk blends peanut butter smoothly without burning. Meanwhile, pull 1 shot espresso or make 1/2 cup strong coffee so flavors are fresh. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 to 2 teaspoons sweetener, and a pinch of salt. Whisk to loosen. Once mixed, add a splash of the hot milk to thin the peanut butter. This ensures a smooth emulsion when you combine everything. Now you emulsify and create foam because texture defines the drink. Pour the thinned peanut butter back into the remaining warm milk and whisk until it's uniformly glossy. This prevents oily separation. Use a steam wand, handheld electric frother, or blender for 15 to 30 seconds to introduce air and stabilize the emulsion. Longer gives thicker microfoam. Make sure to hold the frother near the surface, then tilt and swirl to integrate. Once done, pour 1 shot espresso into your cup. Then slowly add the frothed peanut milk to marry the flavors and build a creamy top. Finish by tasting and adjusting because small tweaks make a big difference. Garnish with a dusting of cocoa, chopped peanuts, or a honey drizzle to add aroma and contrast. If you see oil or separation, reheat the drink gently and whisk vigorously, or blitz in a blender for 10 to 15 seconds to re-emulsify. This fixes texture without losing heat. Make sure to adjust sweetness in 1 teaspoon increments and peanut intensity in ½ teaspoon steps until it suits you. Serve immediately while hot for best mouthfeel and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.